What if you could turn your everyday bicycle into an electric bike without replacing the bike you already own? That's exactly what the Livall PikaBoost 2 Lite is designed to do. Rather than buying a brand new e-bike, this compact conversion kit installs onto your existing bicycle and adds intelligent electric assistance whenever you need it. In this video, we're going to unbox it, walk through the installation process, explore its features, and take it out for a real-world riding test to see how it performs. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the packaging feels premium and well protected. Ours arrived covered with shipping stickers, but the box itself is sturdy and designed to keep everything secure during transport. A few highlights are printed on the packaging. One of the first things that stands out is the CES Innovation Awards 2025 recognition. The box also advertises a pedal assist range of approximately 50 to 70 kilometers and mentions an automatic slip detection system that cuts motor power if excessive wheel spin is detected. Aside from the standard safety warning labels, that's about it for the exterior. Let's open it up. The first thing inside is protective foam that keeps the components from shifting during shipping. Underneath, everything is neatly organized. Inside the package, you'll find the PikaBoost 2 Lite main drive unit, user manual, warranty documentation, USB-C charging cable, mudguard, mounting bracket, installation screwdriver, and other required hardware. The user manual is actually worth keeping nearby. It walks you through installation, calibration, safety checks, and setup, making the first installation much easier. Let's quickly look at the included accessories. The charging cable uses USB-C on both ends and is generously sized, giving you flexibility while charging. Next is the mudguard, which we'll install later to reduce water and mud spray while riding. The mounting bracket is what secures the drive unit to the bicycle frame. And Livall also includes the screwdriver needed for installation, so you won't have to search for basic tools before getting started. Now for the star of the package, the PikaBoost 2 Lite itself. The first thing you'll notice is that it feels surprisingly solid. It has some weight to it, which immediately gives the impression that it's built to last. Our review unit already has a little dirt on it because we've spent some time riding with it before filming this close-up. Looking around the unit, you'll find rear LED safety light, power button, charging port, battery compartment, rubber drive wheel, and mounting hardware. The design is clean, with orange accents surrounding the Livall branding, giving it a modern appearance. The drive roller itself uses a durable rubber surface for grip, while other sections combine high-quality plastic with metallic accents that give it a premium finish. Overall, the fit and finish exceed expectations for a conversion kit. One of the nicest features is the removable battery. Simply press the release mechanism and the battery slides right out. A quick press on the indicator button shows the remaining battery level. Our unit arrived partially charged with 2 LEDs eliminated. According to the label, the battery offers 158 watt-hours of capacity, along with detailed input and output specifications. Reinstalling it is just as simple. Slide it back into place until it clicks securely. Everything feels tight and well-engineered. Powering on the unit is straightforward. The rear LED light offers multiple operating modes. One mode provides constant illumination for nighttime riding, while another flashing mode increases visibility for vehicles approaching from behind. Both modes can be switched directly using the onboard controls or through the Livall mobile app. The top indicator LEDs also display the battery status while the system is operating. The PikaBoost includes an automatic calibration system. Before installation, activating calibration causes the drive mechanism to raise and lower itself as it determines its operating position. Because the unit isn't mounted yet, the movement looks unusual, but once installed, calibration automatically adjusts the drive roller so it sits perfectly against the rear tire. One nice touch is that the battery can also be charged directly through the charging port on the main unit without removing it. Before mounting everything on the bike, we installed the mudguard. It takes a few extra minutes, but once secured with all 4 bolts, it helps keep mud, water, and road debris from being thrown upward while riding. If you plan to ride in wet conditions, it's definitely worth installing. Now it's time to mount the system. The first step is attaching the mounting bracket to the bicycle frame. Rather than tightening everything immediately, we recommend leaving the bolts slightly loose so the bracket can still be adjusted during alignment. Once the bracket is positioned correctly, gradually tighten each bolt evenly. This prevents the mount from shifting out of alignment. With the bracket installed, the PikaBoost itself simply slides into position. Although installation is easier with 2 people, it's still manageable alone with a little patience. After securing the unit, continue tightening the remaining hardware evenly. Avoid fully tightening one side before the other, as this can throw off alignment. Everything should remain centered throughout the process. With the unit mounted, it's time for the final calibration. Power on the system and activate calibration using the control button. The mechanism automatically adjusts the roller position until it presses firmly against the tire. You'll notice any visible gaps disappear as the system finds its optimal position. Once complete, spinning the rear wheel confirms everything is properly engaged and ready to ride. Now comes the most important part: actually riding it. The first thing we noticed wasn't the power, it was how natural the assistance feels. Instead of an abrupt surge, the motor gradually adds support as you pedal, making it feel less like an electric bike and more like you've suddenly developed stronger legs. After only a few minutes, the assistance becomes almost invisible. It simply makes riding easier. We tested both available riding modes. Powerful mode delivers noticeably stronger acceleration and can significantly reduce the amount of effort required to pedal. It's enjoyable when you want maximum assistance, but we found standard mode better suited for daily commuting. It provides smoother power delivery, better control on uneven roads, and noticeably better battery efficiency. During city riding, the difference is immediately obvious. Starting from traffic lights requires less effort. Cruising through busy streets becomes much easier. Maintaining comfortable speeds around 15 miles per hour feels effortless. Battery performance also lived up to expectations. Under normal riding conditions, achieving approximately 50 kilometers of assisted riding appears realistic. We also tested several moderate hills. Instead of struggling uphill, the motor smoothly supplements your pedaling without feeling overpowering. The AAR 2.0 assistance algorithm continuously adapts to your effort, while the Livall 500 motor delivers extra power exactly when needed. Safety features performed just as well. The automatic slip detection immediately cuts motor output if the bike tilts beyond 30 degrees, adding another layer of protection. The intelligent sensor system also monitors braking, shifting, and changes in riding behavior to keep power delivery smooth and predictable. Additional touches, including the V-shaped traction roller, integrated rear LED light, removable battery, and IPX5 water resistance, help make the PikaBoost 2 Lite feel like a mature, thoughtfully engineered conversion system rather than a simple bolt-on accessory. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more reviews and hands-on tech content.